Most medicines don't always play nice. Chemotherapy can harm healthy cells. Painkiller can cause nausea. And antidepressants sometimes trigger unwanted side effects. But what if doctors could deliver a drug to the exact spot in your body within just a few millimeters and nowhere else? Well, Stanford researchers may have just cracked that code with a surprising helper, sugar. Yes, a little bit of sugar is not just for your coffee. It may soon guide light saving drugs with pinpoint accuracy. So, the current issue is when you swallow or inject a drug, it does not just go to the target area, it circulates everywhere. That's why side effects happen. For decades, scientists have searched for a way to release drug only where they are needed. Stanford researchers have developed a non invasive system that utilizes ultrasound activated nanoparticles combined with sugar to deliver drugs with remarkable accuracy and minimizing side effects. These nanoparticles circulate harmlessly throughout the body. But when a narrow beam of ultrasound is applied from outside the body, the sound waves trigger the nanoparticles to open and release the drug right at the target site. In mice experiment, this system delivered ketamine only to a specific brain region and even painkillers to specific nerves, while leaving the rest of the body untouched. But here's the genius twist. The secret ingredient that made the system stable, safe, and easy to manufacture is sugar. The researchers discovered that just adding 5% sucrose to the nanoparticle core gave it the perfect balance, stable in bloodstream but responsive to ultrasound. Without ultrasound, the drug stayed locked inside. With ultrasound, it was released only where needed. As lead researcher, Dr. Ragaran put it, turn out just a little bit of sugar is all you need to make this work. This approach could change how we treat depression, chronic pain, and even cancer.